The Y-BOM, our electronic ply with an innovative concept and ergonomic and balanced made-in-Italy design. It allows you to close and test crimping clamps in a controlled and safe way. It has an easy-to-use interface with a big touchscreen and interconnects with all in-house control database to give you immediate feedback. You can check the production autonomously, eliminating risks and wasted time. Because it adapts to all needs, it has a different headset for clamps of different shapes and sizes. It speeds up all operations, makes cycles repeatable, tells you in real time if the work is well done, greatly reducing costs and maintenance problems. Y-BOM. It's a Mollfam product. Tight together.